Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kona Lakshmi, Minimal Access and Bariatric Surgeons, Global Hospitals, Hyderabad. Recent newspapers have shown lot of studies where they have said that obese and diabetics, and especially those who have a combination of obesity and diabetics, are doing very badly during this pandemic, and all those people who are obese are having bad results, and those people who were earlier obese and have lost weight and have maybe unfortunately become COVID positive are recovering better. So the observation is that obesity and diabetes both together are very bad risk factors for any infectious disease, more so when it comes to this bad pandemic disease COVID. So when we talk of obesity along with diabetes, apart from the medical treatment, most important aspect of the treatment is a significant weight loss. There are some people who can lose weight after they become diabetic with diet and exercise and get their diabetes under good control. Maybe they need one medicine to get their sugars under control, but because of their weight loss, the sugar control maintains. But there are some people who are not able to lose weight and their diabetes progresses. Means they start with one medicine and keep on progressing, that they end up with using multiple medicines, but still they don't have the sugars under control. What do we do for those people? Do we let them suffer like that? Do we let them become prone to all these infectious diseases which are cropping up nowadays? Or is there any answer from the medical fraternity for these people? There is an answer for these people from the medical side. We have surgical procedures, what we call the bariatric and metabolic surgical procedures, which not only give a good amount of weight loss but also get their diseases like diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure under control. That's why these procedures which give weight loss along with the control of their metabolic disorders are called metabolic surgeries. But lot of people have got misconceptions regarding the surgery, and they try to avoid, in spite of having the knowledge that the surgery would cure them of two major problems. They go by hearsay, they go by layman's explanation regarding any surgical process and avoid getting the proper treatment done. In this past 7 to 8 months, we have seen lot of obese diabetics coming in a very bad shape to the hospital, maybe coming with kidney failure, coming with cardiac arrest, and all because they're obese and there was a restriction on the movement because of the lockdown. They were not able to do their whatever little exercise they could, and they were ending up eating lot of high calorie foodstuffs in a bid to prevent corona from happening. So, and when we ask these people that why did you let your weight overtake you, they always say that this person told me surgery is dangerous, that person said that because of after the surgery you may not live or you may develop complications. So these are all wrong information. Bariatric and metabolic surgery is a very safe surgery, and you should, those who are contemplating or those who are suffering from obesity and diabetes and not able to lose weight by diet and exercise should undertake these procedures, cut down their weight, get their sugars under control, and lead a very healthy life rather than a crippled life because of this obesity and diabetes. And surgeries we have been doing for almost 15 years, and they're very safe and they're not complications which will cripple you. So please don't go by hearsay and always take the specialist advice and make your life healthy. Thank you.